Alright, so we're doing the sewer camera inspection. I can't find any cleanouts on the front of the house. The neighbors have them. They've got them, they've got them, they've got them. They've got them right out front of their house, but I can't find them anywhere on location here. Nothing in the garage, nothing on the other side of the house. So, last resort, we're going to go up to the flat roof and try one of the vent stacks, but let's go turn some water on first. Since we're going to go down this vent over here on the corner and get this water flowing a little bit at this kitchen sink and see if we can't follow that out to the city. Oh man. Look at this roof. This thing is shot. Alright, so here's the vent stack. We're going to try and go down, pull off this cover. They put these covers on to protect from rats, bugs. This thing is going to be kind of a pain in the butt to get off because they painted it on. But because they can't provide me any cleanouts, I've got to somehow get access to the plumbing system. Kind of sucks damaging this screen material, but if they wouldn't have painted it on, I wouldn't have had to damage it. Alright. So now what we're going to do is take the camera head off, because this is a small pipe. We have to take this camera head off in order for it to fit. It's about 110 out here today. Good God. So we're going to take this protective camera head off. This is just kind of like a guide. Helps this camera head from grinding on the bottom of metal pipes and damaging the camera lens. You can damage it in ABS pipes too if you're not careful, so set that off to the side. Alright, now we can get something done. Sewer camera inspection at 9330 North 100th Street. We're on the roof at a plumbing vent stack above the kitchen. There were no cleanouts located at the front of the house. They're likely buried underneath the gravel and the rock. The neighbors' houses have cleanouts, but this house we couldn't locate them anywhere. Sellers should be able to see how these vent pipes take a sharp 90. I can't get in that. So the drain pipes definitely go to the front yard, not the backyard. There's a street in the backyard, but they don't go this way. That was the vent pipe that I tried to go down above the kitchen. Got a half flat roof. These are clay tiles. This isn't concrete. This isn't cement. This is clay. You can tell because they're a little bit thinner. They sound a lot more hollow. They're a lot more fragile. So you got to be careful. You can't really walk on these things. When they do servicing on these, they use big pads to distribute their weight out so they don't crack anything. But those are our big vent stacks that we could be using to get access to the drain system, but I can't walk on it. I could walk here, and I tried to go down through that drain. You can see I tore the screen off there trying to get access, but I couldn't get in because it was too sharp of a 90. There's another big vent stack right there too, but again, it's on top of the clay. So I'm going to turn this water off now and get a hold of Brian Lang, my manager, the guy who's doing a home inspection here at 1 o'clock today, and let him know that I don't have any access to the plumbing system and I can't remove toilets. Can't take these up because we're not plumbers. I don't have the right tools to set everything back down properly, and I don't want to take on the liability of having a leak. So we're kind of in that gray area here. And I think what upsets me the most is I just spent an hour on the property here looking around for a clean out, looking around for some way to get into the drain system to do my job. It took me 45 minutes to drive here. It's going to take me 45 minutes to get home because I don't find a clean out, because I can't get in the drain system, because somehow our company and the whole paying invoice system is set up this way. I don't get paid a damn thing. I don't get paid any travel fee. I don't get paid anything for the work that I did because the seller couldn't provide the location of that clean out and I couldn't get through the vent stack. I'm screwed. I get to waste 3 hours of my day on a Tuesday to just piss around and make videos for you guys and get sweat in my eyes.